Okay, hi everybody. So I'm changing my sway bar links on my s550 Mercedes S-Class, and took the nuts off already. If you didn't know, when you're taking the nuts off, you need a hex tool like that. It goes in here to keep the joint, the ball joint, from moving while you take the nut off. So the nut will be here, you'll be taking it off, but you need this here together with the tool to hold it in place so you can take the nut off. Alright, now what I really wanted to show you was this. Hold on a second. Okay, so I took the nuts off like I said, but it's not coming out, and I'm trying to pull it out. It's stuck. That's because this is a spring. It's a sway bar, but it acts like a spring and it's holding it tight. So what I did, I put the car on jack stands as you're supposed to do, and I'm putting this jack, if you can see it, I don't know if you can. Oh, it's not even on there. I'm going to jack this up underneath. Oops, that's not good. Trying to do it one hand on the camera. Okay. So I'm going to put this here. Okay. So I'm going to jack the car, the wheel, not the car. The car's already on that, but just the wheel section. So watch as I jack it up. This moves. You can realize it's moving. I'm not sure if you can. My hand is shaking with the camera, so. But it's going further in. So pretty soon it's going to be enough to get the joint out, the link out. See, now it's loose. You can just pull it out. Okay, so that's a little tip, and I'm quite sure putting it in will be just as important. I'm going to get the new one right now. Okay, so the new one, and so you're going to keep the jack right there. Take the screws out. Alright, so that's the new one. And I'm gonna put it in. Oops, put the top one first. Alright, top one is in. And may have to jack it up a little more. Okay, to do it in one hand is really hard. Okay, so now it's in, but it's not out of the woods yet. It's not on the top. So